Yo, what up? How's it going, friends? And today you want to learn how you can remove the search icon from your color block theme. And by the time we're done with this video tutorial, you will be able to remove it and it's going to look just like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta! Now, the first thing you want to do is to come into your online store. Okay, this is the backend or your admin or your dashboard, whichever one you call it. Let's come to your online store, come to themes, and right there you want to come to color block. Okay, so you can see color block same here. And I'm sure you already have it activated also. So you want to come here to customize. And the moment you click on customize, you're going to land on this page. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you 3 methods to remove this search icon. Okay, and just follow through. Okay, so the first method is using the base method. So I want to click on the 3 dotted line at the top here. You look at color block, this top corner. Okay, the top left corner. Then click on the 3 dotted line and you click on edit code. So the moment you click on edit code, it's going to open this interface here. Okay, this editor. All right. So, but before we go ahead and even work on this editor, now don't forget, because I know a lot of people will be like, oh no, I don't know how to. It's fine. It's just copy paste. Okay, you're not doing anything too difficult. All right. I always like to go for the easy method. So what we want to do is we want to come here to this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you also. All right. And we want to scroll down, to this part that says to hide it using base. And you want to go ahead and copy this. All right. So you want to copy that and you want to come back here to this editor and you want to come to color block. You want to come to assets. You want to come to base.css. Okay. And you want to go down. Okay. You're going to scroll down, go down. You want to go down, baby. Okay. So, and the moment you go down, you want to come here and you want to paste at the last part. Okay. Just paste at the last part, just like this. And you click on save. And once you click on save, if you come back, you can see the search icon is gone, right? It's gone. So this is exactly how you can remove the search icon on the sidebar from your Shopify color block theme without having any stress. Okay, but maybe you don't want to use this method. Maybe you really don't like to use this method and you want to use another method. Okay, then there is a way we can do everything just from this interface, and it's going to be very simple and easy also, just like that, but even much more simpler than that. So now let's go straight and put you through on how to do that. But before I go, please if you've not joined the movement or subscribing to this channel, please subscribe, because I have a plan to get this channel to at least 10,000 subscribers. So please try and join the movement and help me to get to that. I can't reach that goal without you guys' support. So please hit the red subscribe button, and as you do that, God bless you. All right. Now let's go straight to teach you how to do that. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and remove, click on save. So that the search icon can be back and, you can see as everything is going. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead. And the next thing I want to do is to click on this header. Okay. You can see header here, then the header here. I'm going to click on header. And right now we're going to scroll down. Normally we're using Horizon or some other teams like maybe Atelier and some several other ones. You're going to see the search icon available here. Okay, so you can just toggle it and it will be gone, but this doesn't have it. The color block doesn't have it. So we're going to come to custom CSS like this, and right there we're still going to head back to this doc file, and the first code that we have here, which is the one that says to remove using CS, I'm going to copy that and we head back here and we're going to paste, and we're going to paste it. You see, it's gone. All right, it's gone. So someone type it's gone in the comment section. All right, it's gone. So if you're enjoying this, please type it's gone in the comment section also, and subscribe. So now the moment it's gone, you just go ahead and click on save. All right, so and that's all. Right, but maybe you still don't want to use this method. Okay, maybe you don't want to use this method. You'll still be like, okay, is there any other one to use? Okay, now let's talk about the third method, and I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. All right, and I'm gonna head back. Now, the third method that we're going to be using is the custom liquid. And what we want to do is to come here to this header section again, but not clicking header. I want to click on add section. Okay. Let me first click on add block. It's not available. Let's click on add section, and we're going to come here to custom liquid. And the moment you do that, I want to click on custom liquid again. And right here, I want to paste the code here, which is a very simple code. And we're going to scroll down to this part that says to remove using CL. I want to copy this. Okay. This last code. And we're gonna paste, and it's gone. All right, so now that is how you can remove your search icon or your sidebar from your color block theme in your Shopify store. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe to the channel, please. Thank you very much for subscribing. And even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people also who are looking for video tutorials just like this. Okay, and if you subscribe, please try and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials. I drop tutorials every single day, okay, for you guys. So thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. And please make sure that you take care of your health. It's very important, and look very well. Thank you very much. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.